Yo, what's up everyone, it's Pawan and welcome back to the channel. Summer is officially here, and you know what that means. It's time to crank up the AC. But before you rush out and grab the first one you see, let's break down the two main types you're gonna run into. Inverter ACs and non-inverter ACs. We're talking energy efficiency, cooling performance, noise levels, all that good stuff, to help you figure out which one is right for you. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just trying to beat the heat without breaking the bank, stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive in. Alright, so before we get into the nitty-gritty of comparing these ACs, we gotta understand the tech that makes them tick. First up, we've got the non-inverter ACs, the OGs of the cooling game. These guys work on a pretty simple principle, on or off. Think of it like a light switch. It's either blasting cold air or completely off, no in between. The compressor, which is like the heart of the AC, kicks in at full power until the room hits the desired temperature, then shuts off completely. Now, this on-again, off-again cycle, while straightforward, isn't exactly the most energy efficient. Enter the inverter AC. Instead of that abrupt on-off situation, the compressor in an inverter AC is always running, but here's the kicker. It adjusts its speed to match the cooling needs of the room. So imagine a car seamlessly accelerating and decelerating instead of slamming the gas and brakes. That's the vibe we're talking about here. This smooth operation not only saves energy but also keeps the temperature way more consistent. No more Arctic blasts followed by a slow warm-up. Now let's talk about the real MVP, especially if you're dreading those summer electricity bills. Energy efficiency. And spoiler alert, inverter ACs take the crown here, hands down. We're talking potential savings of 30 to 50% compared to their non-inverter counterparts. That's huge. But why the big difference? Well, remember that whole on-off cycle we talked about with non-inverters? Yeah, that burns a lot of juice. Every time the compressor fires up, it draws a massive amount of power, and those spikes in energy use add up quickly. Inverter ACs, on the other hand, sip power like a fine wine, smooth and steady thanks to that continuously running compressor. And remember, less energy used means more money staying in your pocket. So, you're saving money with an inverter AC, but how's the actual cooling performance? Well, hold on to your hats because inverter ACs take the lead here too. Remember that whole constant temperature thing? Yeah, that's a game changer for comfort. With non-inverters, you get those temperature swings. 1 minute you're freezing, the next you're reaching for the fan. Inverter ACs eliminate that annoying roller coaster ride. They're constantly making micro adjustments, ensuring the temperature stays exactly where you want it. It's like having a personal climate control system that anticipates your needs. So whether you're chilling at home or catching some Z's, an inverter AC keeps things consistently comfortable. Okay, let's talk about noise because nobody wants an AC that sounds like a jet engine taking off. And once again, inverter ACs come out on top. Remember that whole smooth operator thing with the compressor? That translates to a significantly quieter experience. No more loud bangs when the compressor kicks on or those jarring stops and starts. Plus, many inverter ACs come with variable speed fans, meaning they can fine-tune the airflow to minimize noise even further. So, if you're looking for an AC for your bedroom, study, or any space where peace and quiet are a priority, inverter AC is the way to go. Alright, let's address the elephant in the room, the upfront cost. There's no denying that inverter ACs come with a higher price tag compared to non-inverters. That's just the reality of the more advanced technology. But here's the thing, it's an investment. Think of it like buying a more fuel-efficient car. Yeah, you might pay more up front, but you're gonna make up for it in the long run with those gas savings. Same principle applies here. That higher initial cost for the inverter AC is offset by those significantly lower electricity bills month after month, year after year. So, if you're planning to be in your current spot for a while and you're looking for long-term savings, an inverter AC is worth seriously considering. Now let's talk about longevity. In general, inverter ACs tend to have a longer lifespan than non-inverters. And the reason goes back to that smooth operator compressor. Because it's not constantly being jolted on and off, it experiences less wear and tear over time. Think of it like your car's engine. Smooth acceleration and braking put less stress on the engine, helping it last longer. Same idea here. Plus, many inverter ACs come with features like self-cleaning functions and protective coatings that further enhance their durability. Now that doesn't mean you can just install it and forget about it. Regular maintenance, like cleaning the filters and scheduling annual checkups, is still crucial for both types of ACs. Alright, so we've covered a lot of ground. Now let's break it down. Who should buy what? If you're on a tight budget and you only need an AC for occasional use, maybe just a few weeks out of the year, a non-inverter AC could be a decent option. It'll get the job done without breaking the bank. However, if you're looking for long-term savings, unmatched comfort, and a whisper-quiet performance, an inverter AC is the way to go. Yes, it's a bigger investment up front, but those lower energy bills and increased durability will pay dividends in the long run. So there you have it, guys. The ultimate showdown between inverter and non-inverter ACs. I hope this video gave you the clarity you need to make the right choice for your cooling needs. Remember, it's not always about the cheapest option. Sometimes investing a little extra upfront can save you big time in the long run. I hope this video helped you understand the difference between inverter and non-inverter ACs. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Adrit Fix Hub. Let us know in the comments, which AC are you planning to buy? See you in the next video.